three brothers live together in a cabin. The two brothers are relatively normal. But the youngest brother is a strange one. No matter what you do, you can't do it well. His brother asked him to herd the sheep. And he secretly taught the goat to dance. I can't open the pot at home. The two brothers wanted to let Asan pull the goat to the market and sell it. It is better to exchange some money to subsidize the family. Although Asan is reluctant to part with. But under pressure he finally chose to comply. When passing through the forest, he happened to come across a dead tree creaking in the wind. Unaware of the truth, Asan mistakenly thought it was a dead tree and wanted to buy his sheep. The dead trees kept creaking. Asan mistakenly thought he was bargaining with him again. Eventually they closed the deal for $100. But the sound of dead trees still shows no signs of stopping. Asan's brain is running fast. It turns out that the dead tree wants to give money tomorrow. So he tied Yang to the tree. And left without looking back. And the two brothers got the news. I laughed on the spot. It's just that they never imagined